Okay, children, let us take another problem, that is problem number 5 from exercise 10.3 mensuration. Let us analyze the given problem. In the adjacent figure, there is a figure given in the problem itself. The height of the solid cylinder is 10 centimeters. We can observe that there is a solid cylinder and the height is given as 10 centimeters and diameter of this cylindrical shape is 7 centimeters. Two equal conical holes of radius 3 centimeters and height 4 centimeters are cut off as shown in the figure. See children, fundamentally there is a cylindrical shape. Inside the cylindrical shape, we can observe that two conical portions are there. And so from the shape of the cylinder, two conical shapes of equal size, that is height 4 centimeters and radius 3 centimeters, are cut off from the shape of the cylinder. Now these two are conical holes, that is holes in the shape of the cone with the equal size. So we need to find the volume of the remaining solid, So after cutting two conical portions, there are two conical holes in this place and we need to find the volume of the remaining solid after extracting two conical shapes from the given cylindrical shape. Now, what do we do? What should we do? So here, first of all, how to find the volume of the remaining solid is, we need to find the volume of the complete cylinder shape first. We need to find the volume of the complete cylinder shape, and then in the next step, we need to find the volume of single conical shape, and then by using that we need to find the volume of two conical shapes because these two are the same in measurements. After that, to get the volume of the remaining solid, we need to subtract the volume of the conical shapes from volume of the cylinder. So in this way, we can find out the volume of the remaining solid. Okay, let us start the solution. First of all, let us find volume of complete cylinder. What are the measurements given here? Height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters. Height is equals to 10 centimeters and also diameter is also given as diameter is how much? 7 centimeters. So we need to find out radius, that is d by 2, that is 7 by 2 centimeters. So we are well known of the formula, volume of cylinder. What is that children? It is equals to volume of cylinder is equals to pi r square h. Pi r square h. So what is pi here? 22 by 7. What is r? What is r? 7 by 2 centimeters. That is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. What is h? H is 10 centimeters. H is 10 centimeters. So now we need to do calculations. 2 5s are 10. So 22 into 35 by 2. Pi r square h. 35 2s are 70. 35 2s are 70. Again 70 plus 7, 77 by 2. So again we can simplify this. 2 3s are 6, 17, 2 8s are 16, 10, 2 5s are 10. So 385 centimeter cube. 385 centimeter cube. So let us note down the volume of the cylinder, that is complete solid, is equals to 385 centimeter cube. And next we are going to find out the volume of the single cone, and by using that we need to find out the volume of the two cones. Okay, let us find out volume of the cone. The given measurements are radius 3 centimeters, r is equals to 3 centimeters, and height is equals to 4 centimeters. So what is the formula to find out the volume of the cone? That is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3, pi is 22 by 7. What is r? 3 into 3. H is 4. So cancel these two, these 3 and 3. Now 22 into 12. 4 3s are 12 by 7. 12 2s are 24. 12 2s are 24 plus 2, 26 by 7. This is the volume of the single cone. We know two cones are with equal measurements. So to find out the volume of the two conical holes, let us multiply with 2. Volume of two cones. Volume of two cones is equals to, so 264 by 7 into 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 528 by 7 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the two cones. Okay, now let us subtract volume of two cones from volume of the cylinder. So by that we can get the volume of the remaining solid. So we know volume of remaining solid is equals to volume of cylinder minus volume of two conical holes. So what is the volume of cylinder we got? Volume of cylinder is 385 centimeter cube. Volume of two conical holes is 528 by 7 centimeter cube. Let us take the LCM. 7 5s are 35, 7 8s are 56 plus 3, 59. 7 3s are 21 plus 5, 26 minus 528. Do the subtraction. 15 minus 8, 7. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 minus 5, 1. 2167 by 7. After doing the division, so 2167 is divided by 7. 7 1s are 7 here, 7 3s are 21. 0. 67 is there, so 7 9s are 63. 0.40. 7 5s are 35. 50. 7 7s are 49. So 10 7 1s are 7. So 309.571 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the remaining solid after extracting conical portions, two conical portions from the given cylinder. So in this way we need to find out the solutions for this type of problems. Let us note down the solution. Volume of remaining solid is equals to 309.571 centimeter cube. So this is our answer.